Okay guys, I've been looking for this all day. This is a busy road. This is a chili farm, Thai chilies. And as far as you can see, there's got to be a few thousand plants in here. And some beans, and I wonder what the deal is with the beans. Both sides, they have rows of beans. Get them to wave. I want to get in there, but I don't know how. Maybe over here. We'll go see the ladies. See what they're doing. Okay. Let's get in here and take a look. I don't know what variety this is, but it's not the bird's eye chili that most people know. Much bigger, huh? It's the ones that they use for, they dry them, make chili powder, but cook a lot with dried chilies here. I'm interested in how they got these staked up. It's almost like the California weave or whatever they call it for tomatoes, yeah? 2 rows. There's string. Trellis on each end, a bean plant on each end. It makes you think that this is a sacrificial plant, you know what I mean? Let the beans get the aphids. It's just loaded up, huh? You see how many's on there? Just loaded. And they're tall, I can barely see over them. See that? See how these leaves are all crinkly? I don't see any aphids, but that's what aphids do. Where are the ladies? Look at them. I don't know, you can see them, they're all green. I couldn't imagine being in here all day. There's some red ones. Let's look through here. It's very dry. They do have, oh, drip irrigation, yeah? See the drip line going through there? It's like the fire jungle. Yeah, it'd be a lot easier to go this way. Look how many! You see that? If this was all red, man, it'd be a cool picture. I could get a cool thumbnail picture if they were red. They seem to be running away from me. There's the header line for the drip. Try to be a better way to see. These are really short here. What happened? They're only half a size. How cool. You see the 2 rows, drip line down the middle, and then the string keeping them in, and a ton of bamboo poles. Ta-da! You see the string hanging there. It's quite a complicated watering system, in a sense, but it's just slipped on the drip line. It's just slipped on over the 1/2 inch PVC. This one's wrapped in an inner motorbike tire or motorbike tube. They're talking about me. I don't know if it's good or not. I come from my truck right over here. I'm from Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good, you? Sawadee krap. I want to see what you have. Oh, cool little bag, huh?
Put a bag.
That's cool, yeah? You notice, for all you chili lovers, no gloves.
No gloves.
Hello.
Hello.
Somebody's jealous.
Like you.
Look how many.
You come here, like you. Hello.
I go see another lady now. Thank you. Hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ
What you doing?
จ้าเก็บพริกเอาไหม
Big, big, big.
เอาไหมคะเห็นไหมเนี่ย
Oh, sorry, no?
จ้าไว้พริกบอกคนนี้
Hello.
เก็บพริกเก็บพริก
What'd you say?
you can
Oh, I can now. I grow my own. Wow, there's a lot, huh? Hello, sir. Handful.
ลูกสวย many people
Many. All day, yeah? Very hot, too.
very hot too
Very crazy hot. I don't know how many people's here. I see 2, 4, 6, 8. I see 8.
มาฮ้อนแดดบ่มาตาก
On jing jing.
โน้ตพี่เก้ฮ้อนมาก
This
เลย
Mark. This lady's fast.
มาจากประเทศไหนคะเนี่ย
Yeah.
อ๋อแคนาดา
Amazing place, huh?
ภาคความรู้แล้ว
I found a good one. There's tons of these farms up and down the highway here, just west of Nong Khai.
เชียงใหม่หนองคายแคนาดาสิอาเจ้าอีอ้างให้เรา
You can't even see her over there. She's talking away about me. There's a young lady over there, and that's the one they want. They want her to come see me.
ญาติเพิ่นก็แต่งงานกับคนแคนาดา
All right, guys. Well, that's it. How cool is that, huh? There's enough chilies in here for make a pile of chili sauce, huh? Sweet Thai chili sauce by the boatload. Unbelievable, and they pick them so fast, huh? You notice no gloves? I see people on YouTube cutting up mild chili like a jalapeno or something, and they gotta wear rubber gloves. These chilies are fire, and they handle them all day long, no problem. See, this is all low pressure, none of it's glued together, huh? See the inner tube. It's quite the setup. I'd like to know how many plants are here. Most of them are double stem like that, huh? Yeah, that one's got 3. Double stem. Double stem, every one, yeah? It's double stem, double row. That's pretty cool, man. Wonder how to get paid. I'm sure it's by weight. I'm sure it's not much. Whew. You hear the bridge crack? That's not good. Got some more over here. This one's got plastic down. You see that? You see the plastic, and then 2 rows right here, no plastic, grass everywhere. Interesting. I don't see no drip line on these either. Interesting. Alright guys, there it is. A Thai chili farm. Hot work. Very hot work. Thank you ladies. As always guys, thanks for watching.